way. I know that in my mind. Y uno de chorizo. Chorizo potato.
How you doing? Good. What's that?
You think I can tell you about our stuff?
Sure. You tell me.
We specialize in rye whiskey. Here we go. These are rye whiskeys, 2 years, 4 years. This is 4 years. It's the 4th year in a toasted oak barrel, which is a little less char. It's a 5-year rye whiskey. This is bourbon over here. And then over here we've got gin and a couple of liqueurs. The Italians have after you drink, they call it Amaro. We call this a Baltimore, because that's kind of cute. And it's got Szechuan peppercorns, so it's nice tingle on the way down. This is a gin-based liqueur that mixes well with like lemonade or seltzer water for a summer spritzer. And this is just bottled bee's knees. It's a cocktail ready to pour. It's a fundraiser for the University of Baltimore. Their mascot is UB the Bee. They get a portion of every bottle. And this is a whiskey-based liqueur. It's got some sweet stuff added. So if you like a sweet drink, then that was there for you.
Oh. Is this the information?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
They do a tour. Where you gotta do the tour is that?
At the distillery, it's at the Union Collective, about 10 minutes from here.
Mm-hmm. It's in the city?
No. The Union Collective, it's at 41st Street and 83rd, 83. It used to be the Sears warehouse, and now it's got a brewery and now our distillery, and it's got other stores there. And but yeah, they do a tour of the distillery. They talk to you about the history of rye, and then they bring out 4 different types of rye whiskey that you can kind of mix to get a mix that you like, and then they'll make you a small bottle of your own personal mix.
That's nice.
So it's a lot of fun.
Yeah, I went on a distillery tour at the Sagamore in South Baltimore. That was cool.
Okay,
Then you did the taste there. That was cool.
Yeah, very good one.
Yeah. Maybe I'll take you out next. I'm gonna do maybe you one day, the distillery one day, and I'm gonna try the Guinness place one day.
Okay, yeah.
Over there at Hellthorpe. Yeah.
That sounds great, yeah.
Well, thank you.
Okay, all right, sure. Thank you for just stopping by.
Thank you. Excuse me.
In the middle of fucking nowhere. In the middle of the night.
How you doing? How you doing?
Are you filming me?
Yeah. Sorry. Just doing the tour. The tour of the place.
You can't be like a marketer and a farmer and like a tax person and a everything. I don't know.
Hey, how you doing?
So I have a cake pop and then I have, all of the actual popsicles are on the
My goal is to do all the farmers market. So I'm gonna do this. I'm doing this now. I'm gonna do the highway one, Jones Falls one.
Oh,
And
okay.
this other one, this is First Point one too, right?
Yeah, and my coworker Sandy does that for boys.
So how many farmers markets are there? 3?
There's a few. I do one in Catonsville on Wednesday mornings and Howard County in the afternoon. And there's Kenilworth. Well, we're not at Kenilworth anymore, but yeah, all kinds of farmers markets in Baltimore.
Yeah. Let's try them out. Hopefully I get to try them out this year.
What's that?
Hopefully I get to try out all the farmers markets out this year.
But this one and the one that you're going to tomorrow, really nice big markets.
Yeah. Cool, well, thank you.
All right.
You don't like those,
I feel awful. I'm getting something to subject right now. Like, I don't even like to skate. I want to
Okay, thank you.
Apples, mangoes, pineapples, all the Caribbean kind of fruit.
Can I help you?
They're $5.
Sounds good. From somewhere.
Thank you again for your appreciation. To enjoy the market. Weather turned out to be a nice day.
Hey, good. What's these?
Rhubarb.
Boop. What?
Rhubarb.
Rhubarb?
Yeah.
I've never seen that before.
Never.
No, first time.
It's mostly used in pies and stuff. Crumbles. You can make syrup right here. Jam.
Oh wow. How you going?
Oh. So you're going from like 4 to 6.
I mean, I was thinking to get it so I don't have to wait.
Hey, how you doing?
Because I don't do that. I don't take pictures of cats.
I mean, you could turn this into that.
Hey. How you doing?
I was lucky to be getting my new license at the time they did it automatic. You know I wouldn't have done it.
Wait, I can meet you at the tavern.
I think I want a rainbow thing.
How you doing?